You're watching the Nokia XR21 drop test. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and follow me on Twitter so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. The XR21 is the next in line in rugged phones from Nokia. Let's do a few drops on concrete and see how it handles. To start off, I'll drop it on the screen from waist height. Taking a look at it, there are some scrapes on the frame, but there's no damage to the screen, and the screen works fine. On the second drop, I'll drop it on the screen again, but this time from head height. There are some more scrapes on the frame, but again, no damage to the screen, and the screen works fine. For the third drop, I'll drop a waist height on the back. There are additional scrapes on the frame or housing, but no damage to the screen, and the screen works great. Now for the fourth and final drop, I'll attempt to drop it on its side from waist height. Again, we can see some more scrapes or scratches on the frame or housing. But the screen is intact and has no damage, and works perfectly fine. So as far as drops go, the Nokia XR21 should handle them without any problem. If you're interested in seeing this phone taken apart, make sure you subscribe so you'll be notified once I upload a teardown video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.